Hey there, I've went and gone and done a thing. I haven't been able to tumble for the last 6 months because my little National Geographic tumbler motor died, and my big 18-pound vibratory tumbler, the bin or the bowl, if you will, wore out, in my opinion, very prematurely. So I haven't been able to tumble for the last 6 months, and I'm getting antsy. So I was in Princess Auto up here in the north into Canada and saw this Power Fist, which I think is just basically a knockoff of like the cheap tumblers from, I can't think of the name at the moment. But anyways, it's just a cheap tumbler. But I thought I'd give it a go. Worst case scenario, I get a little tumbler bin out of it. I do plan on making a bigger tumbler, my own, that'll house, 4 or 5 small tumblers and maybe a couple big barrels as well for the rotary, and get a replacement bowl for the other one and just do the higher grits in it. Maybe it'll last longer. But I thought I'd quickly show you this because I paid $50 Canadian for this guy at Princess Auto, and that's regular. They had it just on sale. I missed the damn sale, which I'm mad about, for $37. Anyways, very cheap, as you can tell. However, a couple surprising things. The barrel's actually not bad. But what was surprising is you can obviously tell they know the belts go because they sent a ton of belts. So that's kind of a bonus. Maybe it will last 6 or 7 months if the motor hangs in. So I will end it here, and we'll fast forward many months down the road and give you a quick update on what I think of this tumbler. See you then.